having so much network. I think it's because of that. Hello friends, my name is Ayush. Today we are gonna build a Ninjago car with Lego. So let's get started. So this is a Ninjago packet. We are gonna open it and then we are gonna build the Ninjago car. So let's get started now. These are all the materials we need to build the Ninjago car. So let's see this map. So first thing first, we take these and then we join it right over here. So first things we're gonna join that to here, and then we're gonna take this one and join it here and the other one here. Then we're gonna put some of these. So we're gonna leave this much space and we're gonna put 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oh god, one of it slipped. And then next we are gonna put a yellow one like this right over here. Right here. So then we are gonna put this yellow part right over here in the back side. We're building the back. So next things, we are gonna take this part and put it here above the yellow, and then we are gonna take one of these and put it right over here. After we do this, over here. So we are also gonna take another yellow part like this and put it right over here, and then we are gonna take this part and put it right over here. So we are also gonna put this red right over here. We're gonna join it to this, the back right here like this, and we will put it right here. So next things, we are gonna take this and put it right over here. So then we're also gonna take 2 of these and we're gonna put it right over here, and then we will take these 2 parts and put them right. We're gonna take these 2 parts and we're gonna put them right over here and here. Then we're gonna take two of these and put them right here and there. So see how it looks. So next thing, we're gonna take this and this. We're gonna fold one like this and then the other one like this. Then we're gonna put one right over. Put this on top of this. Then we're gonna join this right over here. Then we are gonna take two reds like these and put them right over here. And where's the other one? And we're gonna take another. Then we're gonna put this right over here. And then we're gonna take. Then we're gonna put this here. And another one there. And then we're going to put this right here and another one there. Then we're going to take two of these, put them here then we're going to put one there and then this one right here. Then we're gonna put this here, and then we're gonna put two of these right over here and there. Then we're gonna take this part right here, this part here, and then we're going to take this part right over here, and then we're going to take these two parts, put them. 1 minute, this went wrong. Then we're going to put these here, right over here and right here, and after that, so this is how it looks right over here. So next things, we're gonna take one of these, then a black, and then this, and then this. So we're first gonna take this, put a black right here, and then we're going to take this, put it right over here, and the other one right over there, and then another black right over here, right. And then we're going to attach it right over here where these two are. We will do some wheels right over here and here, and another one here, and another one right over there. Next, we are gonna do the front. So first things first, we take this, put it here, then we're gonna put this this yellow part right over here, and then this part right over here. Then we're gonna take this part, we're gonna put this flap right over here. Then we are gonna take over here. Then we're gonna take another black and put it right over. Then we're gonna put these two here and here, and then our next ones here and here. So this front looks like this, and then we're gonna put this one right over here. Then we're gonna take two long ones. Then we're gonna take these long ones right here and here. Then we're gonna take this and put it here. So as you can see, we'll take these two and put it right over here and there. Then we're gonna take two swords and put one here and the other one there. So now our Lego Ninja car is done.